Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This upcoming video, I call it Showcase. What Showcase radios are the radios that they do not need that much work, but they are very unique. The way you access it, go to my channel, select playlist. Right here you will see it's called Showcase. Feel free to access all those videos. And meanwhile you're here in this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And this is where it's located, subscription icon. And select the bell so you'll be notified for upcoming video, and select the thumbs up so YouTube suggests this video to others. Thank you so much. This is another very interesting transistor radio. As you know, I like to collect unusual transistor radios. These are very unique. It says here solid state, but it still is a transistor radio. And this is how the box is in very good condition for its age. And this is the side of it, of course, like that. And the model number is 533526. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. When I saw this is pretty interesting. It is a biplane radio. Is called Old Timer. Here is made in Japan. And folks, any radios made in Japan are built very well. Definitely purchase them. Let's take this out. As you see, it still is in the plastic, and let's take it out of the plastic. Very, very interesting. It has even machine guns up there. Very well built, this thing. Man, it is a brand new. The box was in that great condition, but it is a brand new, as you see. I always was wonder, when the machine guns firing, how it missed the propeller. I watched something online, it's very interesting. Let's watch it together.
One of the major technological innovations for fighter aircraft in World War I is the creation of a gun synchronizer system. That means you can mount a machine gun right in front of the pilot with a sight, and you can fire, and as you point the airplane, you can point your machine guns and hit your target. The problem with that is you have a spinning wood propeller in the way. And so the creation of a mechanical linkage set up to a cam on the propeller shaft, as the propeller blade crosses in front of the two machine guns or one machine gun, it actually turns off the machine gun. And then as the propeller blade is passed, the machine guns are turned back on. Now, as 1917 proceeds into 1918 and the entry of the United States into the war, you have American Air Service pilots coming into the Western Front, and they're being equipped with French aircraft. There's not a frontline ready American fighter for the conflict. And a young pilot named Ray Brooks painted the name of his fiancee's college on there, Smith College.
Alright, let's see what's inside here. You see they cut this to fit perfect. That's what I'm saying, made in Japan is they build it, with the quality material. It's not flimsy like other transistor radio that you see. Okay, this is the back of it. As you see again here, it says product of Japan, a Mark 611. You see that? So anyway, This is where you put the battery. A speaker is here. This is on and off switch. That is how you change the station, of course. It's a brand new, folks. This is brand new. Let's check inside. Hopefully the battery compartment also in good condition. Let's check it out. Sometimes they are not. No, it is in perfect condition, as you see. That is awesome. That is great. Let me put a 9-volt battery here and we test it. Okay, that's a 9-volt battery. Of course, this is how it goes in. Okay, it's closed. I think this hole goes in this pen right here. See that? Yeah, that's it. You see this? Hey, that is how you, I believe, display it. I can't believe this is a brand new. I just noticed that inside the box also it has the instruction manual. Yeah, let's open it up, check it out. Talk about how to install the battery, of course, where the volume control is, the tuning knob, and here how to install the battery, all the part numbers right here, and what the speaker they used, current that is take to operate this. As I share with you, any transistor radio I have from Japan, they are just unbelievable. And here they have the schematic. I'm glad this came with the radio. The plane itself is all metal, it's not plastic. It's pretty heavy, it's all metal. So anyway, you see, it's just a beautiful design. Definitely start buying all these transistor radios because soon there are not going to be as many of them available. It's like a tube radios, years ago was so simple and very reasonable price to purchase them. But these days are, the prices are going up and it's harder to find, what you're looking for. So anyway, let me turn these things on so we can listen to it together. This side is on and off button.
Reddits of the corners of the field, when thou reapest neither, shalt thou gather any gleanings of thy harvest. Thou shalt leave them unto the poor and to the spring. I am the Lord your God.
In the back you can change the station right here. See right here.
Practical side of the work of the church. So as much as Georgia should have won this game, the Chiefs still, winning again. I mean, how much are you looking at the Chiefs saying they're starting to become that team again?
Folks, I suggest pretty highly any type of transistor radios that comes from Japan. Go ahead and collect those. Those are usually built very well, like this. Airplane all is metal, is not plastic, and their value is going up. So start collecting them. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comments. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care.